Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the hair. I just got out of the shower. Obviously, I didn't really do a good job drying it, but who cares, right? Today in this video, I'll be making slime. This is my first time making slime. I hope I succeed. I don't know. I really hope I do good because I am terrible at things like this. So. Let's go right to the video. What you will need for the slime. You will need a bowl, something to stir with, some Elmer's glue, sorry, I dropped something, some original shaving cream, because last time I did try it with with extra foamy shaving cream, it did not work. So here's the shaving cream you need to get, because I've been seeing everybody use this one. So, and you also need some borax or eye contact solution. This borax is in hot water. My friend got it ready for me. So first, we also need a measuring cup. You don't need it, but I don't know where it is, so I can't use it. First, you take your Elmer's glue, pour it into the bowl thing. Oh wait, you also need. God, I got some food coloring. Oh yeah, I also got a towel, so won't have my mom get mad. Oh, I have neon, but I also have normal food coloring, but right now I can't get to it. So first, you pour.
Oh my gosh, the worst.
Some, what's it called, glue into here. This came out fast before.
I'm walking over here. I can't move my legs.
I'm not gonna pour it all.
She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be sculpted by the sculptor.
This should get messy.
She don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we're made of blood, so she tries to cover the pain.
Next, you pour in your shaving cream. Give it a shake. Okay. Okay, that should be done. Okay. Start just to mix that together for now. You can either do this before or after you mix. Add food coloring. I'm gonna do purple because, well, it is my favorite color. So I'm just gonna mix this in, and then yes, I will put in the food coloring. And if you're wondering, the radio is right here. Okay, now I'm gonna have to find purple and neon. I'm just gonna add a little bit of blue to lighten it up. One drop of blue. Thank you, Lord, it didn't spill. But it did on me. Okay. Guys, this looks so cool. Well, kind of. But it does look cool. I'll pause this and be back when I'm done stirring. Okay, I'm done with the color. It looks white, but trust me, it's not white. So now I'm gonna do the borax, add a little bit at a time. I have to go get a small spoon and pour it in. know what this is, but I found it. I add a little bit at a time, and this is the activator. So this is basically what makes the slime and it has it all come together. See, it's starting already. You guys, should I go over my hands? I'm going in. Get on the bottom. Guys, this is so fluffy, but I need more. Oh my god. This is not even close. This, guys, oh my god.
That's right. It's a Monday. 9 o'clock is coming
okay.
up. Another shot to get those songs in for the iHeartRadio Top 99. Do it on Twitter.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Casey1013.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I can love you just like that, and I can leave you just as fast. But you don't.
Guys, this is like starting to come together, but it's not like coming off of my hands. Guys, I'm making slime. And it's not. Okay, I'm doing the. Oh! Let's see if how stretchy it is. God, I messed up. Get off! Okay, technical difficulties, people. Okay? Yeah, I don't need this right now. Oh no, I got it all over my friendship bracelet. Okay, Pete, get this off of me. That's it. I'm done. I can't do this. How do people like this song? I don't. I'm sorry. I just don't. I'm going in. Oh god, this is so slippery. Oh my god. I got a lot of it. You guys, this is not turning out so good. Well, it's starting to come really. Why did I go in, you guys? This is so fluffy, though. You guys, I'm actually going to be right back and wash my hands if I can pause this. Be right back, you guys. No, you see that little clog? That's my friendship bracelet. See? Be right back. Get off of my hand.
Your GPS might steer you wrong. But we won't. KC101 on iHeartRadio.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna start with that. What's it called? Spoon again. Guys, good news. No damage done to my bracelet. What is it? I'll be right back and try to figure this out. When it starts to stick off the dish and the spoon, then I know it's like done, and I don't need to add more activator or whatever you use. You can use borax and hot water. There's also contact solution, and I don't know the rest. Sorry.
Okay.
This, guys, is like sticky, but I have slime, I guess. Look at it.
KC101 Morning Show.
Take a
It all
piece.
started with the pasta necklace.
Kind of.
Then the construction paper.
It's
coupon
just like
book was all
not.
the rage.
You just have to
And
like
who can
knead
forget
it,
the
I guess,
homemade
with your
change purse
hands.
with the button closure. Here at Things Remembered, we know the best
Oh,
gifts
that
are the
didn't
ones you
come
create.
off my
And this
hands.
Mother's Day, that doesn't change just because
Guys, this is actually coming off of my hands.
Las Vegas. Don't miss out. Head to iHeartRadio.com/Rising Star this Wednesday to vote. KC101's iHeartRadio.
It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I'll try to do this again some other time, but I'll perfect it next time, hopefully. Well, this is actually very satisfying. My last slime I made was actually better than this, but it couldn't stretch. So it came apart like I'm going to try to make this come apart that. So, but it was actually very satisfying. I'll try to work on this. Guys, I promise I'll work on this. Bye!